toughest things you'll ever have. But it can be done. This is how me and my brother did it. We actually found a real dog up for adoption and brought him home and stationed him by the fireplace. And so when our parents got home, we went to work. Oh my gosh, is that a dog?
Yes, that's a dog.
Whose dog is it?
That's the dog that Jerry's family won't let him eat.
You mean to say he's homeless?
Yes, he's homeless.
What a tragedy.
If they don't find a home for him, they'll have him put to sleep.
Oh no. Well, how much is that dog?
He's free.
Did you say free?
Yes, I said free.
I can't believe it.
Well, it's true.
That's great. And when is he available?
Immediately available.
Right now?
Right now.
Oh my gosh, that's it. This dog is free. And so are we. What a sensible addition to the family. He's adorable, orderless. Don't break our hearts. Say yes. Now that performance will probably not get your dog, but it's a start. You have to come up with practical arguments. For example, now how is he with burglars?
He's excellent with burglars.
Does he scare them?
He's as scary as a jungle cat.
And how is he with children? Is he gentle?
Very gentle.
Does he keep them out of danger?
He's a specialist at that.
This dog is smart. This dog is hard. You can hitch him up in heaven for your shopping cart. He's as wonderful as children as a governess. This dog the same. Say yes. If you say yes instead of no, you're sure to come in handy. Like when you're stranded in the snow. Take it.
It'll come through the bridge. I'm eating Juicy Juice. 100% juice, 100% kid.